Today, we're talking about hair. Gotta love when your hair product matches your lipstick. That's dedication, people. Hello, Starlets. I'm Sarah from Everyday Starlet. I make videos to inspire you to be the best version of yourself and live your dreams. So if you want to be an Everyday Starlet, be sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to make sure you don't miss anything, because YouTube keeps changing things, be sure you hit that little notification bell too, just so you don't miss any of the fun. I get so many requests for my hair product routine. The truth of the matter is, I don't have a set routine right now because I've been testing out products. I actually had an experience not too long ago where I had a ton of hair breakage, and you can tell a lot of people think I wear extensions. This is all my hair. It's not the natural color, but it's all my hair. But I actually have quite a bit of breakage, and I don't know specifically what products cause the breakage because I just stopped using everything that I was using at the time, and I'm afraid to go back to any of it. So I've kind of been in the process of experimenting with hair products, and I decided, since my makeup collection review videos have become so popular, I decided to do something similar with hair care products. Basically, I'm going to take a hair product brand and I'm going to use only their products for an entire week. I'm going to document it vlog style and give you a review, and then I'm going to share with you the best and worst of that hair product brand after using it for an entire week. So I actually thought to start this series, I decided to start with a relatively small and not super well-known hair brand, but it is one that I've actually used before and really enjoyed. I believe this is pronounced Obliphica. I first heard about this brand from one of my style icons, Dita Von Teese. They don't have a huge amount of products, but most of their products come in either an orange container or a purple container. And the purple is supposed to be, in general, for thicker, coarser hair, and the orange containers are supposed to be for fine to medium hair. When I first heard about this brand and I heard that Dita Von Teese was using it, she said she was using basically all of the purple products. I like purple. I bought the purple products. I hated them. They were way too heavy for my hair. They just didn't work for me. So I kind of blew off the brand. And recently I decided to sort of pick it up again and try it out. But this time I decided to try the orange products, which are fine to medium. And they work much better with my hair. If you're wondering about my hair, I do bleach it and tone it. This is not my natural color. Shh, don't tell anyone. My hair is actually, it's fine hair, but I do have a lot of it. It's naturally quite straight, but because I bleach it so much, it does kind of, if I let it air dry, it dries to a little bit of a bend, which people have called it a chemical curl. It just kind of looks kind of a little wavy and a little strange when I let it air dry naturally, but it is actually, my hair is naturally straight. My scalp does get oily, but because I bleach my hair so much, my hair can get kind of frizzy and kind of dry. So that's just a general synopsis so that you know what my hair is like. It might help you decide whether or not these products will work for you the same way or differently. Just want to get that out of the way. So I actually sort of vlogged myself using these products for the week. And then at the end of the video, I'll actually give you my best and worst of this brand. So be sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for that. But if you want to see my week with Obliphica and how it worked for me, then just keep watching. Today is Sunday and I decided to start this today instead of on Monday because I really need to wash my hair. The status of my hair right now is I actually just had my hair done on Thursday. It's a little darker than I like it, but we usually do it a little bit darker because it fades so much. So hopefully it's gonna fade into my nice platinum like it usually does. I'm going to use the Obliphica Sea Berry shampoo, and this is in the fine to medium version. Then I'm going to use the hair mask as a sample, and I'm going to scrape out the bottom of the package. I did actually repurchase this because I found it on sale in the full size, but I'm going to try to get as much of this hair mask out of here as possible, or I may open the other one because this feels pretty empty. But I'm going to use my hair mask. It says you're supposed to leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes. I don't really time it. I just kind of put it on and I let it sit while I body wash, while I shave, that kind of thing. Just sort of leave it on however long I'm in the shower. I rinse it off, and I actually always just sort of finish it off with the Sea Berry conditioner. This is, again, the sample size. I haven't actually found a full size one of it yet. And this actually does say you can leave it on for 3 to 4 minutes. So I kind of, I don't know, I leave it on. Again, I don't time it, but I just sort of leave it on for a little bit while I'm in the shower and then rinse it out. One thing I will say, little tip, which goes for any hair product, is after I rinse out my conditioner, I usually comb out my hair with a wide tooth comb, never brush it. I know a lot of people are brushing it, never brush it, use a wide tooth comb, and then I kind of wrap it up in like an absorbent hair towel. My hair's all up before I actually get out of the shower. I actually do like my body wash again on my back. It's just a way of making sure that all of the excess hair conditioner kind of like gets off my back, and it has really improved my back knee because I was getting that a lot, and I read that somewhere that if you just sort of like make sure you rewash your back after you condition, just make sure you get all that hair conditioner off your back and it'll make your skin better. And I've noticed a huge improvement since I started doing that, so I want to pass that tip along to you. So I'm gonna get in the shower, and I'm not gonna film it because that's a whole different kind of video, and I will check in with you guys after. Okay, so my hair is washed and I have it wrapped up here in this towel. I've had these absorbent towels for like forever. I don't even know where I got them, and my robe really needs to be washed. Okay, that's embarrassing. Anyway, so the only Obliphica product that I found that actually said it had heat protection in it was their styling cream. I don't have that though, and I actually couldn't get it in time to film this video. So we're going without thermal protection this week, so things could get messy. I don't know. I am gonna use their mousse, which is the Sea Berry Thickening Mousse. I kind of concentrate a little bit more on the ends of my hair because I kind of like a little bit more fullness on the ends. And then after that, I'm going to use the Sea Berry Hair Serum, which is basically your typical hair oil. And again, I kind of run this throughout my whole hair, but I definitely concentrate more on my ends because that's the oldest part of your hair and that's the part that tends to be the driest. And then I'm gonna blow dry my hair. The blow dryer that I use is the Super Solano Ceramic Ion Nano Tourmaline. I'm not even sure I'm saying that in the right order. This is actually my mom's blow dryer. I got this for her for Christmas like years ago because she desperately needed a new blow dryer, and I did some research. This seemed like it was the best. It was pricey. I don't use it very often, so for us, splitting a blow dryer is really not that big a deal. I'm gonna finish up my hair, and then I'll check in with you after I blow dry. Okay, so I blow dried my hair mostly. I will say my hair is usually a little bit frizzy after I blow dry it initially. I really don't have the patience. I mean, I know I went to school for cosmetology, so I mean, I know the proper way to blow dry hair, but I do not have the patience to like get it completely smooth and get it completely dry. So it does tend to be a little bit frizzy when I first do it. It doesn't really look frizzy right now, but it will soon. It'll look a little frizzy because it's not 100% dry. Overall, I have to say, when I've been using the Obliphica products, my hair is a lot less frizzy when I blow dry it, and it makes blow drying smoother. I just really love the way it makes my hair feel, and I feel like going with the orange as opposed to the purple, it just makes it feel like it's not too heavy, but yet it's still moisturized and hydrated. So I've been really happy with this product line so far. I'm gonna use it throughout the day. I still have one more product I haven't used yet, but I'm not gonna use it just yet. So I'm gonna do some check-ins throughout the week and kind of let you know how my Obliphica week is going. So I'll see you soon. Hey guys, whoa, my hair is crazy. I just had it pulled back because I just filmed this makeup look. So if you want to know about this makeup look, the video should be already up. I will link it to this one. I have an event tonight that I'm going to, and so I have to style my hair. I probably should have washed my hair, but I didn't have time, so I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow. And I'm trying to stick to the all Obliphica products, and they don't have a dry shampoo. So I won't be using a dry shampoo in my hair. Okay, so I decided to give my hair a little bit of a wave with the curling iron to try to make it look less greasy. It doesn't really need the shine spray right now, but I kind of feel like I want to use it to show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna try to just use it on the ends and spray it on my hand. It smells nice. Comes out really kind of greasy, so I'm gonna kind of just spray it a little bit. And I have it on my hands because I sprayed it on my hands. Shine spray tends to make my hair go really limp, so I don't use it very often. I feel like for my hair, I would need a finer mist. My hair was already feeling a little greasy. It definitely adds some shine. It's a nice smell. It's a subtle smell. All the Obliphica products seem to have a similar kind of perfumey kind of scent to them, but it's not overpowering. It looks nice and shiny, so it's got a nice look to it, but it's a greasier feeling than I like in a shine product. Hey guys, so it is Friday and I just washed and dried my hair. I used the same products that I used on Sunday, except I didn't use the hair mask. I decided to do it with just the conditioner. So I did shampoo, conditioner, mousse, and shine serum. My hair does not feel quite as smooth when I don't use the hair mask, but it does still feel very smooth and very soft. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog part here. So if you wanna hear my final thoughts on this product line and what I think of it and my favorite products and my least favorite products, then just keep watching. Okay, Obliphica, like I said, is a very small brand. They work with sea berry oil, which is kind of a Moroccan oil type product. I don't know too much about sea berry. I will say if your hair is anything like mine, or your hair is anything but very thick and very coarse, I would definitely recommend the orange products, which are for fine to medium hair. Even if you think your hair is really dry and really brittle, I mean, my hair is bleached like you would not believe, and these products work really well for me. The shampoo, I really enjoy. It doesn't leave my hair feeling really dry. I used to be super obsessed with the idea of like a really foamy shampoo and like really feeling like my hair was like squeaky clean when it was done, and I'm kind of trying to get over that because that's not the best for my hair. So I do feel like this shampoo gives me just enough lather so that I do feel like I'm actually shampooing my hair, because I just can't get past having at least a little bit of lather. But my hair never feels like dry or dehydrated or straw-like after I use it. So I do really like the shampoo. I really enjoy this hair mask. It makes my hair feel really soft, you know, really shiny. I really love when I use this. This is my little sample of hair conditioner because I haven't been able to find the full size, because when I bought the full size hair mask, they didn't have any more conditioner in the store. I do really enjoy the conditioner. Good conditioner makes my hair feel nice and smooth, but doesn't feel like it's too heavy. I really enjoy this conditioner. The hair serum I feel like is very light. I love putting an oil serum on my hair, especially on the ends. I just feel like it makes it so much easier to style my hair, especially if I'm blow drying it. It just makes the brush go smoother through your hair, so there's less pulling, less breakage. But I do know some hair serums, hair oils that can make your hair feel really greasy. I never feel like this makes my hair feel greasy. I mean, I do use a light hand, but I do feel like some, like, you can really easily overdo it, and with this one I never really feel like, oh my god, I've overdone this, I put too much oil in my hair. With the orange, with the purple, I did feel like it was too much, but with the orange I definitely do feel like it was good. I do want to make a note for blondes out there, especially platinum blondes. The purple, it does not have purple in it. It's not meant to make your hair purple, so it's not like if you use orange, it's not going to make your hair brassy. If you use the purple, it's not going to tone down brassiness. It's just the color of the packaging to identify the product and which hair type it's meant for. It's not actually like a color in the product, so if you're blonde and afraid of brassiness, don't be afraid of using the orange. To be honest, I was a little afraid in the beginning. I don't find any problem with brassiness or color change when I use this, so I just want to make that clear. The mousse I actually really love. I like using a mousse, especially on the ends of my hair. I know some people use it at the root when they want root fullness. I don't as much because I don't feel like I need as much fullness up here, but I do feel like, especially because my hair had so much breakage, the ends of my hair kind of feel a little bit wimpy. I don't like mousse that makes my hair feel like really crunchy or anything. Not this past week, but in the past when I've used this mousse, I've forgotten to blow dry and my hair has just naturally air dried, and it never felt crunchy or stiff or anything. It's just a really lightweight mousse. Is it the most thickening hair product you're ever gonna use? No. Does it give a nice fullness without making it look dry or crunchy? Yes, I love this mousse. This is one of my favorite mousses I think I've ever tried. Don't be scared off by the fact that it is in a purple container. It's one of the products that they have that is just, it just is what it is. I think like their hairsprays, their mousse, I don't actually have their hairspray, but some of their products are only in either purple or orange. Their basic like shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, serum, those are in either orange or purple, but their mousses, and I believe their hairsprays, although I don't have them, are just, they're in whichever color they're in. The only product in this line that I tried that I don't like, there are a few products in this line that I haven't tried, but the only one that I tried that I don't like, the Shine Mist. Even in the orange, it's just, it's too heavy, it's too greasy, it doesn't work. I'm not a huge fan of Shine Mists because they tend to be too heavy, and this definitely did not change my opinion on them. Doesn't work for me, maybe on a different hair type or texture, but just not for me. So that was my review on the Obliphica hair products. Overall, I really enjoy the brand. I don't think it's a brand that you can use on its own, because I do think there's other products that they don't have, like they don't have a dry shampoo, but I do think that the products in this brand are very good. I've tested a few other brands as of filming this video, and I have a few others lined out to test. But if there is a hair product brand that you really want me to test out and make sure that I do here on my channel, please let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have a favorite hair product that you love or one that you tried that you absolutely hate, let me know that too. Leave those in the comment section below too. I'd love to hear from you. I love your suggestions. If you enjoyed this video and this new idea for a series, let me know. Please give this video a big thumbs up. A while back, I was suffering from anxiety and depression, and I truly believe that beauty and makeup saved my life. And I believe it can save yours too. So if you want to be an everyday starlet, be sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. You can follow me on all my social media channels. The links will all be in the description box below, along with links to all the products that I can find. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you join me next time.